BDO himself, when we have complained, BDO Panchayat returning a 500 ml bottle of water. And in that bottle of water, they poured on the ballot papers. Don't know, my lord. I have no instruction in that
You were
regard.
there till the third round and you do not know whether result was declared.
No. My lord, but what happened, my lord? What is the conduct? This is the democracy, my lord. This is the state. How police handling the situation?
1728.
He alleged various things, my lord.
How
but
many times recounting took place?
Only once.
Require that mic. That mic is for others who
Sir.
cannot speak loudly.
Yes.
My lord.
21.
21, my lord. I am on behalf of the petitioner, my lord.
21.
And I have served the supplementary affidavit to all concerned learned advocates. My lord, in this matter, my lord, what happening, my lord, in that area, what I am going to tell about regarding the area. So many rigging was happened, so many violence were happened, but somewhere, and so it was also news covered the news channels and papers. So many are there, but I am not going into depth. Kindly come page, my lord, 23. My respectful submission is, my lord, BDO himself, when we have complained, BDO Panchayat returning officer himself lodged complaint to inspector in charge that FIR regarding unlawful activities in the election counting. May I read, my lord?
No, don't read.
Yes.
Supplementary affidavit দাও তো, এটা ছেড়ে দিয়েছে কার্তিক। না ছেড়ে দাও, ঠিক আছে ঠিক আছে, দোনো একই।
Thereafter, what happened?
Thereafter, my lord, first time when counting started at the counting center, petitioner on by one vote, my lord. Come to page 3, my lord.
History of supplementary, na?
No, supplementary, not in petition. Original petition, page 3. Not page 3, page 5, para 3.
Yes.
One vote, my lord, and at the request of candidate of the ruling party, second recounting was allowed by the PRO himself. Second recounting has been done, and again, my lord, petitioner on by 3 votes. Then what happened, my lord? One person, the TMC leader who came and give the TMC agent a 500 ml bottle of water. And in that bottle of water, they poured on the ballot papers. Then again, BDO PRO himself started third time counting. I am winning twice, but third time counting, what happened? Kindly comes to para 4, my lord. What happened, my lord? That later, when third time recounting was started at present of the petitioner and others candidate, when in favor of petitioner candidate counted 211 ballot papers at that time with the support of the inspector in charge himself, Chakulia police station. Sorry, his instigation, the disputed counting was closed, and by abusing petitioner and the leadership of the both parties, inspector in charge, his accomplices dragged them out of counting center. While counting was incomplete, the Panchayat returning officer played the role of silent spectator. In this way, democratic rights were by the shrinked by the IC Chakulia.
Last of all,
But-
what happened?
Last of all, we don't know. Report called for, my lord.
Result not declared.
I don't know, my lord. I have no instruction in
You
that
were
regard.
there till the third round and you do not know whether result was declared.
No. My lord, but what happened, my lord? What is the conduct of my lord? Inspector in charge himself dragged out the petitioner. This is the democracy, my lord. This is the state. How police handling the situation?
1728.
That's serious allegation.
Lord, it's a fifth case, my lord. Lord, it's a fifth case to file election petition, my lord. It's a fifth case. So, my lord, since, my lord, I have obtained a report from the, my lord, Panchayat returning officer, my lord, it says that, my lord, as the counting deviated at two different, my lord, occasions,
Counting,
counting at the count, votes deviated at two different occasions, and since a prayer has been made for recounting, my lord, recounting took place
then twice recounting. What was the requirement of,
twice, only once, recounting.
he says twice?
He says many words, my lord, many allegations. My lord, since the votes deviated at two different occasions and a written complaint has been made, recounting has been ordered, my lord, at the time of recounting process, my lord, some hooligans, my lord, poured some water in the ballot papers. Immediately it has been rescued, my lord. It has not been damaged, my lord. And against the persons who poured the, my lord, water, my lord, against them FIRs have been, my lord, registered. And, my lord, a counting process has been done, my lord, completed. My lord, all the contesting candidates and the agents, my lord, signed in the counting process. The petitioner lost. It is a fit case to file a, my lord, election petition.
You file a report, we
My
will
lord,
see.
my lord, I beg to appear for the private respondent for the winning candidate, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, he alleged various things, my lord.
How
but
many times recounting took place?
Only once, my
Only
lord.
one.
Only once took place, my lord. And, my lord, a person tried to intervene, my lord, against whom, my lord, already FIR already lost, my lord. And, my lord, repeatedly he's saying, my lord, that the person the leader of the ruling party, but things are not like that, my lord. He is the one of the counting agent, my lord. He tried to disturb, my lord, but immediately everything was rescued, my lord, by the authority concerned. And, my lord, kindly have a look, page 23, my lord. That matter already referred to the district election officer, my lord.
Yeah, that
And
I have
Page
seen.
23, my lord.
23 to the inspector in
Lordship,
charge of the police
Lordship,
FIR has been sorted.
Who
Lord,
himself
He is also alleged.
supporting that.
You do not require that mic. That mic is for others who
Sir.
cannot speak loudly.
Yes, my lord. Mike,
My lord, CCTV will be preserved, my lord, and produced, my lord. If it will, CCTV are coming, everything will be clear.
My lord, kindly.
How
And are
many
you
times?
sure that the CCTV
Yes, my lord,
footages
I'm
are,
sure, my lord. Petitioner is sure.
and twice counting took place?
Thrice,
Thrice counting?
thrice.
It will be
And last counting, I have been dragged out by the
My lord,
inspector in charge himself.
my lord, kindly have a look. His prayer, my lord. Prayer,
FIR has been registered, my lord.
Pade-
FIR has been
my
registered,
lord,
my lord,
prayer already, my lord, complied by the authority.
in charge. Not against the inspector in charge,
Will-
who has violated the law and taking the
Did
law.
you lodge any complaint for
Yes.
taking action against the inspector in charge? Where? Before whom?
No.
Then
I will lodge.
you
my lord.
will.
No, I have given, my lord, supplementary affidavit. I have told everything of the block development officer.
My lord, his prayer, my lord, already complied, my lord. An FIR has been lodged, my lord, against the person who is involved, my lord.
Plus, I have complaint.
He
Let the
prayed for, my lord, for
footage-
initiation of, my lord.
Contested the
Reproduce.
Panchayat general elections 2023.
before this court, my lord. CCTV will